This is what I ate today, almost 12 months post-op of gastric sleeve. So this isn't a perfect day, but consistency over time is what's key. So we went out for breakfast this morning. I'm on my summer holiday, so I am eating a little bit of sort of things that I wouldn't usually have during term time when I'm at work. So we had eggs Benedict for breakfast, and that's how much I managed. And then we had Sunday dinner at Mum's house. That's about half a chicken breast and a tablespoon of mash. I think it's really hard to see what the portion size actually is on video, so I tried to put my hand in, but I don't think it really helps. That's how much I managed. And then I did have a little small piece of rhubarb tart, and that's about a tablespoon of custard. That's a teaspoon I'm eating with for size reference to give you an idea of the portion size. It was about 3 bites, but I really enjoyed it. And then later on, for my last meal of the day, they're a bit squiffy, but this would technically be my dinner. I had a protein pudding with 6 chocolate buttons on top because it's the weekend, why not? And that was it.